Good morning guys, today is Tuesday 5th of May, time is 4:34 a.m. London time, and I'm going to continue pound dollar analysis. As we can see yesterday, a little bearish movement. What we see at the bottom, we can see the MACD is turning bearish and the stochastic is turning down. As we can see, previous last week rejection. What we see at the bottom, you can see the bearish momentum is a bit increasing. As you can see, the yellow line is turning down. If the yellow line failed to break this white line, then probably we can see some bearish movement. We'll see today. All right, let's move on to the daily. What we see yesterday, we can see still bearish is strengthening. What we see at the bottom, we can see the stochastic is turned below 20 and the MACD is bullish, although the MACDs look like weakening, but we'll see today. And what we see at the bottom, the momentum is still bullish. If the momentum change into the bearish, then we can see some bearish movement. Technically, what I see here, you can see that 15,000 very powerful support area. Price might come down and touch this 15,000 area and then reverse, but we'll see, because if there's any high impact news today, probably price might break this 15,000 area. As we've seen, there's a huge rejection on weekly chart. We'll see today how the market is going to perform. Let's move on to the 4-hour. All right, what we see 4-hour yesterday, we can see some bearish movement, and what we see at the bottom, we can see the momentum is bearish and stochastic is turning down, and we can see the MACD bullish momentum is decreasing too. We'll see today. Let's move on to the 4-hour and let's plan. Before that, if the price comes down, as we can see, the momentum is bearish, then again we have 15,000 area and we have another very powerful baseline, so price might going to come and touch and reverse, but that's just my thinking. But we'll see today how the market is going to perform. But these are the area which probably good opportunities to trade with the confirmation of any shorter time frame. Let's move on to the 1-hour and plan a trade for today. All right, so just recap yesterday trade. As I mentioned yesterday, I was more interested to break out of this wedge, and you can see after this candle the price broken this wedge, and because momentum was bearish, so I was more confident for the bearish for the short trades here. So you can see the price nicely respect this flex channel, and you can see there's another powerful psychological big number and the support area, which is 150,900, and you can see after that the price nicely respect this support area. What we see today, if you look at the Bollinger Band, is squeezing, so probably you might have some high impact news today, and we're expecting some big movement. We'll see today. If you look at what is the agenda for today, if you look at this is the big candle, and all these candles are inside this candle. So this is the consolidation, right? So if the price break the previous low, then we are expecting some bearish trade, and the first target would be this flux channel, and second target would be 15,000, very powerful support area. So basically what I'm looking here, if you look at let me draw a recent support and resistance. If you look at, this is the area, and this is another wedge breakout. Basically I'm just, if you combine all the fractals, that's give you to draw support and resistance line. So if you look at technically, this is the triangle what I'm looking. So even if this price break and probably we have 20 pips but I'm more interested to break out of the previous. If the price respect this, then probably we might have, you know, counter trade opportunity here. So if we go look at without these indicator, so that's the breakout. So what I'm interested, if you look at this big candle here, and all these candles are inside this candle, and this is 150,900, and this is 151,500, and this is 150,900, this is 155,500. so that's the area I'm looking at breakout opportunity today. We'll see if there's any high impact news today. Alright, today we have 9:30 a.m. London time. We have a high impact news for pound, and we have 1:30 p.m. London time. We have high impact news for dollar, and we also have 3 p.m. high impact news for dollar. We'll see how this news is going to react in the market. Alright guys, that's it for today. That's the breakout I'm looking. We'll see how the market is going to perform. I'm keeping an eye on high impact news, because these news make major impact in the market. As we can see in 1 hour, you can see that the Bollinger Band is squeezing, so probably we might expecting some big movement today. We'll see today how the market is going to perform. That's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.